fix Teams error CAA30194 in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Method 1. Restart your PC and router. It is recommended to restart both the device and router before relaunching Microsoft Teams as the initial step to troubleshoot the CAA30194 error. This error may be caused by a temporary bug, and restarting the devices may be the best way to resolve it. Method 2. Clear Teams cache. Method 3. Enable TLS. Method 4. Disable VPN and proxy server. If that didn't work. Method 6. Reinstall the app.